So I wanted to show you this, okay? What is this right here? Well, this is my washing machine. And I was thinking of all of you financial advisors today that are sending out LinkedIn messages and sounding like the washing machine salesperson. So I have a book coming out next week. It's called 47 Financial Advisor LinkedIn Messages That Will Not Make You Sound Stupid. And you should get it. So click on the link below to be notified when it's available. You need to get this book so that you can come across as a high quality financial advisor who is worthy of trust rather than